In tutorial 3, case problem 3, steps 8 and 9, we're asked to do some conditional formatting. Starting with step 8, we're asked to conditionally format the range D10 through H20 to highlight all of the values in the range that are less than the value in cell E3. This is cell E3. So, in our conditional formatting of this range, we're asked to highlight all of the values in the range that are less than the value of cell E3 in a dark green font on a green fill. Now, I will encourage you to go ahead and experiment with your own colors, but for step 8, we're looking for data that is less than the value in cell E3. Once we've selected our range, let's go to the Conditional Formatting button from the Home tab and select New Rule. We want to select a rule type. We want to select a rule that formats only cells that contain, and then let's edit the rule description. We want to format only cells within our range that has a cell value that is less than, and you don't want to type in 1800. Some of you are doing that. You don't want to type in 1799 or something like that. You want to actually reference cell cell E3. So we're going to click on the icon over here for the worksheet, allow us to select cell E3, and notice equal $E$3. Now you could type that in. I think it will work if you type it in like that, but you have to type in the equal sign $E$3 and then just hit the enter key. Now what we're going to do is set our formatting. So we click the format button, and we could change the font, face, style, size, so on. We're simply asked to change the font color to a dark green, and we're asked to change the fill to a light green. And I click OK. And so this is a preview of what our formatting should look like. So let's click OK, and I'm going to click off my range. You can see that there's some changes. I click off it, and now we can see it. If you notice, every one of these values should be less than what is currently in cell E3. That's for step 8. For step 9, we do the same thing. We select the exact same range, and you do want to select the exact same range in case the data changes, whether the data changes in one of the tables, the mortgage years tables, or if the data changes in cell E3. But we would do the same thing. We'd pull down conditional formatting, set a new rule, and go through the same, except this time we want to say greater than cell E3 and change our formatting. Again, you can do other types of formatting in these conditional formats as well. But this is what is being asked for case problem 3. Apply the rule, and voila. Thank you.